Welcome to another ALERE demonstration. In this video, I'll discuss how to enter a prospect into ALERE. One of the first things you'll notice when opening the InTouch tab is there are two categories of contacts. The first class is your customers, organizations or individuals you have already done business with. The prospects menu is dedicated to organizations or individuals you have not yet done business with. The two entities are divided into different databases to prevent pollution of analytics data and keep customers' data as streamlined as possible. Don't worry, there's an easy way to convert prospects into customers without re-entering the data, which I'll address in another video. To get started entering a prospect into ALERE, navigate to the InTouch tab, then click on the prospect profile. Click the Add button. ALERE will create a new blank record. Fill out all the pertinent information for the new contact. Note that filling in the zip code will automatically enter the city and state into the appropriate fields. Finally, assign a company ID. When finished, click Save. If you'd like to enter named prospects into the prospect database, click on the Personnel tab. Click the Add button. Fill in the contact name, then any details to the right. By default, ALERE creates a unique contact ID for each contact. Additionally, ALERE supports contact images. Click Save. To enter prospect interactions, you may use the Log button found at the bottom of the screen on any of the tabs. That concludes this demonstration. For more videos, please visit our website.